Good morning class. As you all know that in previous chapter we have learned about the sentence. A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. For example, Manu loves his sister. In second chapter we have learned about naming words, noun and its types. Noun. A noun is the name of a person, place or a thing. For example, boy, Taj Mahal, elephant, train. Types of noun. First, proper noun. A proper noun names one particular person, place or things. For example, Jawaharlal Nehru, Red Fort and Britannia cake. Second, common noun. A common noun names of person or things of a kind. For example, boy, dog, table, village, river, bird, etc. And in third chapter, we have learned about nouns, male and female. Gender. Gender tells us whether a person is male or a female. Male nouns are called masculine. Female nouns are called feminine. For example, uncle, aunt, gentleman, lady, lion, lioness, emperor, empress, heir, heiress, nephew, niece, stallion, mare, roaster, hen, waiter, waitress. And today I will teach you nouns, singular and plural. Singular, the nouns that name one thing are called singular nouns. Plural, the nouns that name more than one thing are called plural nouns. For example, dog, dogs, flower, flowers, tree, trees, potato, potatoes, box, boxes, dress, dresses, bench, benches. The following table gives some rules for forming plural nouns. First, plural nouns usually ending s. For example, lamp, lamps, worker, workers, hawker, hawkers, place, places, and rope, ropes. Second, when the last letter of singular noun are ch, sh, s or x, we usually end es to form the plural. For example, branch, branches, brush, brushes, flash, flashes, bus, buses. And third, in the case of noun that end in o, we need to add s or es to form the plural. For example, kangaroo, kangaroos, video, videos, zoo, zoos, tomato, tomatoes, tornado, tornadoes, hero, heroes, potato, potatoes. And next, when some nouns that end in y, we form the plural by changing the y to I and ending es. For example, lady, ladies, baby, babies, lily, lilies, trophy, trophies, jelly, jellies, and story, stories. Next, if there is a vowel before the y, ay, ey, oy, we just add s to form the plural. For example, boy, boys, way, ways, key, keys, jersey, jerseys, toy, toys, and boy, boys. And last, if some nouns ending in F, the plural ending is VES. For example, leaf, leaves, wolf, wolves, calf, calves, loaf, loaves, thief, thieves. Student, I hope you understand this chapter. Thank you.